Hi everyone, my name is Abby Skipstead, and I am here to show you how to actively use Google Docs, um, and how to use it effectively with your students. Um, so first we see that I am in my current Google Drive, and just to kind of familiarize yourself with Google Drive, here is the new button, and you can upload a new folder, create a new folder, upload a file, upload a folder if you have it on your desktop, as well as you can create Google Docs, Google Sheets, slides, Google Forms, drawings, my maps, sites, and a script. And in with each of these, you can uh, do from a blank document or from a template. You will see that on each of the drop-down menus. Google Docs is similar to Microsoft Word. Google Sheets is similar to Excel spreadsheets. Google Slides is similar to PowerPoint. And um, those are the ones that we're mainly going to focus on today. So as you can see, um, you have different places on your drive. So shared with me are things that your students could have shared with you or your colleagues could have shared with you. If you clicked that, it will show things that have been shared with you, that you did not create them, that someone shared them with you. You can also go to your recents if you're looking for a specific assignment that maybe you were working on or your students had just shared with you. You can go here and find it there, just like you would in your Finder or your files. Your starred are things that you have favorited, so they come to this menu, as well as spam trash, and then it shows how much storage that you have left on your account. So let's go back to my drive, and you see I have already created a folder that we're going to use today, but if you would like, what you would do is you would click new, and then you would click new folder, and it would pop up here, and you would type in the name of what your folder you'd want it to be. For me, this is great for organization. A lot of the things that my students do are online, and they can share the folder with me as well as they can automatically upload from their Google Drive the document to Canvas. So let's go to the folder that I created. It is English for with Miss Skipstead. And as you can see, currently there are no files here. Now, if I were to want a file from my computer, and upload it to this folder, what I would do is I could open up a folder on my computer, and let's just say this is the document that I want to upload. I could just drag it straight here, and it would 100% just completely upload right there, and I could access it to through my Google Drive. Or let's say I also made a mistake and I did not want to upload this assignment. What I could do is I would click the more, which are the three little dots, and I would hit move to trash, and now it is in the trash. You can also go through your Finder or your Files app, and you can upload as well, same, uh, the same way. And you have your little drop-down menu here that shows you how long it would take to upload. So this is where we are at now. Now I'm going to show you how to create and effectively use Google Docs. So what you're going to do is you are going to hit new, and you're going to come down to Google Docs, and I am going to click and create a blank template here. So now I have my blank template here. And what I'm going to do is show you how to effectively use this for writing specifically. My students currently are working on an MLA formatted compare and contrast essay. So I'm going to show you how to properly format and set up a Google Doc for this. First, I'm going to name my document. So I come up here to where it says untitled document, and I highlight that and I create my name. So my document. Now I'm going to go ahead and star this because this is going to be something that I want in that folder and favorited. Now first, to set up your essay, as I I have told my students you want to come to format and you want to go to line and paragraph spacing, and MLA formats are all in double, they have double spacing. And next, I'm going to come and create my header. And same as Google Docs, or excuse me, Microsoft Word, you're going to double click at the top. Here you have your toolbar, just like on Microsoft Word. Now you can zoom in. So if you wanted it smaller if you could see better with it smaller, you can make it smaller. So this is at 50%. And if I wanted to, I could type whatever here and be able to see it. Or if you needed it bigger, you can come up to here and you can use and see it bigger here. I'm going to keep it at 100%. Here, if you were creating another document, you could add a heading, heading 2, heading 3, as well as your title and subtitle. You could also save your default styles as well, or reset them at any time. So next, I'm going to show you these tools over here. This is your align and indent. You can also do that from the formatting side as well. There are two ways of doing this. And for MLA format, we must align to the right and we would put our name. So your last name. So Skibsted. And then I am going to hit insert and I am going to find my page numbers here. And again, I'm going to I want it in the top right corner as of MLA format, and I have clicked the option that gave me that. So then I click here, and now I can start getting everything ready. Oh, sorry. To change the font to Times New Roman, you would come here to where it says font, and right now it is on Arial, and you are going to click Times New Roman, as well as make the font bigger as MLA formatting presents itself. I'm going to do the same thing so that my document is the same way. Now I'm going to go ahead and type my heading, which is your name. And as you can see, it is already double spacing everything as I have set that up before in my professor's name. So we'll just use Professor Jones as of right now. And then the class that this is for, so I'm going to use our class here, read 6250. Well then, if we're going to do that, we'll do this. And then you are going to put the date in the order of which the smallest unit of time to the largest. So the day, the month, and then the year. Next, I'm going to come back over here to center align, and I'm going to create my title. So my title for my, and that is my title. And then I'm going to come and fix my alignment, insert, and then I would be able to start typing. So this is the first sentence of my document. And I would move on from there. Now, to effectively use Google Docs, you would also be able to change your margins from here as well as you can um, from the formatting drop-down menu. You can drag your little triangle here to change your margins. If you wish to change the color of it, you would highlight whatever you would like to change the color, and you come here to text color and you can pick whatever color you would like. If there was something that you wish to highlight, then you would come here to the highlight tab and you can highlight from there. I really enjoy using Google Docs as I can have my students create a folder and they share that folder with me through Google Drive and they can keep um, their assignments there as well as they can keep journals there, online journals, which makes things easier and less paper trail. Thank you.